I actually need to show you guys this hairpiece that I got sent earlier on this week. So a company called Bella Hair actually sent me this hairpiece. So it's a ponytail, and it is honestly the best hair hack for if you need to be out quickly and if you don't have time to really do your hair. As you guys know, I love extensions. Like, I naturally have short hair, so anything that I can do to make my hair longer, I will do it. And Bella Hair have honestly come through. Like, I'm gonna show you guys how I put this hair in. So it's beautiful and long, it's so thick, and I'm pretty sure that it retails for $69.99, around that price, which personally I think is so good for something like this that you are going to use again and again and again. It doesn't tangle easily, and the main thing that I'm about to show you is how quick you can put this in. So I'm just going to take this out so that my hair's in a ponytail at the back, and then it has a Velcro fastening which you just undo, and it unfolds to show you a clip. If you can see that there's a clip there which clips into the top of your ponytail. If I put this round and clip it in, and then with this wraparound bit, it's Velcro, so you literally just wrap it round and it sticks, and then you've got this extra hair which you then continue wrapping round, so it completely conceals the fact that you're wearing a hairpiece. And then what I do is I take a bobby pin just to fasten it at the back, and my hair's done. Can you believe that? Like, how quick was that? How quick?